that.
Hey, what's up? This is Jeff. I'm with SSH Drones, and this is pretty much how to fly a drone with a jet ski. We are at Fort McAllister Historic State Park, and we're about to get on the jet skis and just fly a drone. So let's get right into it. Let's go. This jet ski. Beautiful day to launch a drone. Look at that. Look all that water. This is awesome. First things first, adjust your home point settings so that the aircraft returns to the remote control.
Is that how you connect it?
Yeah, just let it on there.
Oh my god, this thing is on. Oh my god. Oh my god. The essential thing is to not panic. So if you don't panic, you should be fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get the drone and jet ski at the same time. Hopefully, you should be able to get some good footage. Okay. And we're going to stay parallel. Mavic Air is going great.
Second is pretty much go into quick shot mode and use the active track. It could be clockwise or counterclockwise or whatever direction that you are trying to have the aircraft just follow you or follow the subject in the subject target. First impressions are, this is a little tougher than I thought it would be. One thing is just the drone is over there, and pretty much just trying to get a balance so I can actually take off right here. See how it's going. This is perfect. So it's hovering. The Mavic Air 2 Active Track 2.0 works really well when it comes to parallel mode. Third, you need to find emergency landing zone so you can land the aircraft safely and retrieve it safely. Do not speed. The wave will splash you and splash the remote control.
Let's go!
Ready?
Yeah. Go! Garde-moi. Oh my god.
Everything was going well on this trip until all of a sudden, all hell broke loose. Okay, now we're in trouble.
Oh, c'est la boue.
We are stuck here.
He's back. We didn't die. I thought we were gonna die. This guy was driving, answering the phone, and getting into mud. And she's just asking us like, where do we go? Where are we going? Because she had no idea where we're going, and neither does he. He doesn't even know where we're going. So anyway, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
Do not launch the drone while the boat is moving. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in to my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe before you get out of here. I am Jeff with SSH Drones, and I am out. Later. Look at this gorgeous view in the back. That's just gorgeous. But we made it, so we're good.